Hi everyone. Now we will deal the simplex method. Okay, na important problem is there, an important topic is there. Simplex method. Simplex method. The name of the method is equal to simplex method. Another name is there for the simplex method. Sometime we call as the simplex method, and another will known as the LPP method. LPP method. Simplex method, and another name is, what is the another name? LPP method. Simplex method, and another name is LPP method. So in that, what you have to do, here two equations will be given. Sometime maximum will be given or sometime minimum will be given. Sometime maximum will be given and sometime minimum will be given. So question was somewhat like that. Here maximum value is equal to, z is equal to, what is the value? 6x1 plus 9x2. What is the value? Z is equal to 6x1 plus 9x2, and subjected to first equation is given, 2x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal to 24. Second equation is given, x1 plus 5x2 is less than or equal to 44. Next equation is given, 6x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal to 60, and what is given, x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0, using simplex method. Using which method? Simplex method. SIMPLEX, simplex METHOAD method. Using which method? Simplex method. So z is equal to 6x1 plus 9x2. Okay na? Then equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, like this equations are given. How many equations are given? Like this equations are given. So what you have to do, you have to write in standard form. What you have to do, you have to write in standard form. How to write in standard form? This till here your question is there, by using simplex method or using LPP method. Okay na? Using simplex method or using LPP method. So what you have to do, you have to use the standard form. Standard form means standard form. Standard form means, first write down the maximum, because maximum is given, so write down the maximum only. Suppose is minimum is given, then you have to convert into maximum. What is given here? 6x1. Next one is the 9x2. Okay, now how many equations are there? 1, 2, 3. How many equations are there? Totally 3 are there. So what you have to write? 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. Okay, now then after that you have to write 2x1 plus 2x2. Why you wrote here 0s1, 0s2, 0s3? Because here how many equations are there? 3 equations are there. So 2x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 is equal to how much? 24. Next one is the x1 plus 5s2 plus next one is the s2 is equal to how much? 44. Next one is the 6x1 plus 2x2 plus s3 is equal to how much? 60. Then x1 comma x2 is greater than or equal to 0 by using simplex method. Which method it is? Simplex method. By using which method it is? Using simplex method is given. So like this you have to write. Okay, now like this you have to write. See what is the difference between this equation and this equation? Here less than is given, so plus 1 equal to, then less than or equal to, plus 2 equal to, then here less than or equal, plus 3 equal to, this one is given 24, 44, 60. 2x1 plus 2x2 plus s1, x1 plus 5x2 plus s2, 6x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 60. x1 and x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Like this is given. So what you have to write? x1 is greater than or equal to 0, comma, x2 is greater than or equal to 0, comma, then s1 is greater than or equal to 0, comma, then s2 is greater than or equal to 0, comma, then s3 is greater than or equal to 0. After that you have to form the table here. What you have to form? Tabular column. Simple is there. First equation write down as it is. How many equations are given here? 1, 2, 3. So 0x1, 0x2, 0x3. Then here remove less than or equal to, less than or equal to. In place of that what you have to do? Plus 1 plus s1 plus s2 plus s3. Then write down 24, 44, 60. 24, 44, 60. Then x1, x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, individually you have to write. x1 is greater than or equal to 0, x2 is also greater than or equal to 0, s1, s2, s3 is also greater than or equal to 0. After that you have to write the basic variable. What you have to write here? Basic variable CB. First you have to write CB. Then you have to write the basic variable. What you have to write? First you have to write CB. After that you have to write here basic BA SIC, basic, variable, variable, basic variable. Next one you have to write CJ. CJ means solution value. CJ means solution value. SOLUTION, solution value. Solution value. CJ means solution value. Then you have to write the equation. What you got the equation? As you can see here, 6. Next one is the 9. Next one is the 0. Next one is the 0. And this one is also 0. 6, 9, 0, 0, 0. So this is the value of x1. This is the value of x2. This is the value of s1. This is the value of s2. And this one is the value of s3. Here, next one is the, in that 2 box, what you have to write? Minimum value, and you have to write the remark. Minimum value, and you have to write the remark. Like this you have to create. Okay, now like this you have to create. After that, okay, like this you have to create the table. In that table, what is the first value? CB is there, then basic variable is there, then CJ is there, solution value. Then here what is that equation is there? What is the equation? 69000. This 69000, first two values belongs to x1 and x2. So here for x1 and x2, and second two values belongs to, second three values belong to s1, s2, s3, x1, x2, s1, S2, S3. Here remark is there and minimum value is there. So what you have to write at the time of starting, always you have to take CB as 0, 0, 0. How many equations are there? 3 equations. So you have to take 0, 0, 0. In first equation S1, second one is S2, and third one is S3. So here you have to write S1, here you have to write S2, and here you have to write S3. After getting this value, after equation, what is the value here? 24, this is 44, and this one is the 60. 24, 44, and this one is the 60. Then this value, what is the value? 2, 2. Here 2, here 2. Next one, 1, 5. This is 1, and this one is the 5. Next value is 6. Next value is the 2. Then here you have to write I matrix. I matrix means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The diagonal should be 1. The diagonal should be 1. The diagonal should be 1. Like this you have to write. The diagonal should be 1. After getting this one, what you have to write? You have to find out the Zj. What you have to find out? You have to find out the Zj. First you have to find out the Zj. Zj means you have to remember 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 6. So 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 6. How much you are getting answer? You are getting answer is 0. You are getting answer is 0. I will write here what is Zj. Zj is 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus then 0 into 6. This is Zj. Like this you got this value. Next one, how to find out this one? 0 into 2 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 2. So here this one also you are getting 0. Then this into this, how much you are getting? 0. Then this into this, how much you are getting? 0. Then this into this, how much you are getting? 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, 0. Because all the 3 terms, whatever you are multiplying, that one is 0. So this into this, then this into this, then this into this, then this into this, then this into this. This 0, how you are getting? 0 into 2 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 2. See, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 2, 0. Then how you are getting this 0? Same thing, that is 0 into 1 plus then 0 into 0 plus then 0 into 0. Then how you are getting this 0? 0 into 0 plus then 0 into 1, like this, then plus 0 into 0. Like this you are getting all the 0. After that, what you have to find out? Zj minus Cj. What you have to find out? Zj minus Cj. How to find out Zj minus Cj? What is the value of Zj? This one is known as Zj. As you can see here, this one is known as the Cj. This one is known as the Cj. So Zj minus Cj. Zj minus Cj. 0 minus 6. How much you will get value? Minus 6. How much you are getting? 6. 0 minus 9. How much you are getting? Minus 9. 0 minus 1, how much you are getting? Minus 1. 0 minus 0, how much you are getting? 0. 0 minus 0, how much you are getting? 0. As you can see here, okay, sorry, 0 minus 0, this one is 0 only, okay, na? 0, 0 minus 6, 0 minus 9, 0, 0, then 0 minus 0, then 0 minus 0. This is called Zj minus Cj. As you can see, this is the negative value and this is the negative value, remaining all are 0. So, what you happen in first, if you are getting negative, this two negative na, till you will get the positive, you have to solve this one. Suppose here you are getting positive, till you will get the value of negative, you have to solve this one. Like this you have to solve till you will get the positive or till you get the negative. Like this you have to solve the problem. Like this you have to solve the problem. See, after getting that value, again you have to form like this table and same things you have to write. Same thing means first you have to write here CB. What you have to write here? CB. CB is CB first, in first column what you have to write here? CB. So, here first you have to write CB. This one CB is there. First one is the CB, second one is the basic variable, second one is the basic variable, next one is the CG, next one is the CG, SV, okay, na, solution value. What is that? Solution value. And whatever I got the value, first one is the 6, second one is the 9, next is 0, 0 and this one is also 0. Here what you have to write? Minimum ratio. What you have to write? Minimum ratio. And here you have to write REMARK, remark, okay na, KS, remarks. What you have to write here? Remarks, okay. For in CB, see here, in CB no need to change anything. Three terms are there. First one is the 0, second one is the 0 and third one is the 0, okay na. Here you can write the S1 and here you can write the S2 and here you can write the S3. And what is the value here? 24. Next value is equal to how much? 44. Next value is equal to how much? 60. Like this you have to write, and in between that what is the value will be there? 216. What is the value? 216. Next value is the 252. Next value is the I matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0. Same previous what I wrote now, that one only I copy here, that one only I copy here. Previously what I wrote now, that one only I copy here. Then Zj is also same, Zj is also similar to that only. Zj, how to write Zj? Here Zj is equal to that same thing will be there. What is the Zj? 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is the Zj. This one is known as the Zj. Then again you have to find out Zj minus Cj. Again you will get the same value, that is minus 6, minus 9. This is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. This is Zj minus Cj. Zj minus Cj. After getting this value, next step what you have to do? See, you have to find out the minimum row, minimum column, means minimum row, minimum column and a column element. What you have to find out? Minimum row, minimum column and key element. How to find out? Means least value you have to select. Which one is the least value compared to all? Which one is the least value? Which one is the least value you have to select? Least value it is looking like. Which one is the least value? Here minus 6, minus 9, 0 0 0. Which one is the least value? Minus 9. Which one is the least value is there? Minus 9. So, this one you have to take as the least value. Which value? Least value. What is the least value? Minus 9. What is the least value? Minus 9. So, this one you have to highlight it like this, okay na, minus 9. This one you have to highlight it. This one you have to highlight it. Least value you have to select and highlight it like this. Least value you select and highlighted like this. From here you highlighting this one. Least value you have to select and you have to highlight it like this. Minus 9, minus 6, minus 9, 0 0 0. So, which one is the least value? Minus 9. Which one is the least value? Minus 9. After getting that minus 9, what you have to do? After getting this minus 9, what you have to do? What is the Cj? 24. 24 divided by 2. Here you have to write 24 divided by 2. Then next value is the 44. 44 divided by 5. 44 divided by 5. Next value is the 60. 60 divided by 2. So, here 60 divided by 2. In this, okay na, in this which one is the least one is there? You have to think, you have to see that which one. Here 12 will be there, here 30 will be there. Which one is the least value? This is the least value compared to all. This one is the least value. So, you have to highlight it this one. What you have to do? You have to highlight it this one. So, this one also you are highlighting, this one also you are highlighting. Which two you highlighted? Which two you highlighted? First one is this one and second one is this one. This one is known as key element. This one is known as key element, ELEMENT element, and this row is known as row is known as key row, and this column is known as key column. This one is known as key row, T column, COLUMN, and this one is known as key, KEY, key row. This one is known as the key row, and this one is known as the key element, key row and key element. After getting this one, this one you have to make as 1. This one you have to make as 1. How to make that one as 1? How to make? With the help of this only, the upper and lower term you have to make as 0. With the help of that only you have to make upper and lower term as 0. First you have to make that one as the 1. With the help of that only you have to make upper and lower term as 0. So how to make that one as 1? To make that one as 1, I am taking this entire one. So here first one was what is the value first one? 24. What is the value for first one? 24. First one is the 24. Second value is equal to 2. Second value is equal to 2. Then 1, 0, 0. This one I consider as R1. Next one is the, what is the value? 44. 1. This is the 5. This is 0, 1, 0. This one you can name as R2. Then next value is equal to 60. This is 6. This is 2, 0, 0, 1. This one you can take as the R3. Here I am doing in another paper. Why? Because it will the continuation problem, but this is the fair work only. This one is also considered as the fair work only. So this one is known as the key element. This one is known as the key element. Above this one and this one you have to make as 0. R2 you have to make first one 1. R2 you have to make 1. R2 you have to make as 1. R2 you have to make as 1. R2 you have to make as 1. After that what you have to do? Here also you can write this one 24 by 2. Next one is the 44 by 5. Next one is the 60 by 2. So this is R1. This one is R2. This one is R3. So here I am doing operation. What I am doing operation? I am changing R2. What I am doing? I am changing R2. R2. Okay na? R2 divided by 5. What I am doing? R2 divided by 5. So how R2 divided by 5? How to R2 divided by 5? See, R1 you have to write down as it is only. What is the R1 value? 24, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 24 by 2. Then R2 divided by 5. Which one I am implementing here in R2? R2 divided by 5, because this term you have to make as 1. So here it will become 44 by 5. 1 by 5. 5 by 5, how much? 1. Then this is 0. This is 1 by 5. 0. Then 44 by 5 by, this one will become 5. This is R1 and this one is the R2. R3 write down as it is 60. Next one is the 6. Next one is the 2. Next one is the 0, 0, 1, and this is 60 by 2. This one is known as the R3. 60 by 2. This one is known as the R3. Now this term will become 1. This term will become 1. Already this term will become 1. Now with the help of this term, what you have to make? You have to make upper term as 0 and lower term as 0. With the help of this one you have to make upper term 0, then with the help of this term only you have to make lower term as 0. With the help of R2 you have to make R1 0. With the help of R1 only you have to make R2, R3 is also 0. So which one you are changing? You are changing R1. What you are changing? R1. R1 you are changing with the help of R2. What is the value of R1? R1 is equal to 1. What is the value of R1? R1 is equal to 2. What is the value of R2? R2 value? R2 value is 1. Both are equal? No. You have to multiply with minus 2. You have to multiply with minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 it will become 0. Plus 2 minus 2 it will become 0. Plus 2 minus 2 it will become 0. Again I will explain you this function. This is the R2. R2, with the help of R2 you have to make R1 0. Then with the help of R2 you have to make R3 0. With the help of R2 you have to make R1 0. With the help of R2 you have to make R3 0. These two terms you have to make as the 0 with the help of R1 and R2. With the help of R1 and R2. So what you have to do? See here. Again I am doing here operations. These all are fair work only. So here I am changing R1. With the help of R2. I am changing R1 with the help of R2. What is the value of R1? 2. What is the value of R2? 1. Both are equal? No. So what you have to do here, you have to multiply with 2. Here you have to multiply with 2. So this will become 2 minus 2. Answer should be 0. Answer should be 0. But whatever you created this formula, this formula for entire row, this formula for R1 as well as R2, this formula for R1 as well as R2. So R1 you are changing now here, R1. So what is the first value? R1. R1 is equal to how much? 24. Then 2. R2 value is equal to how much? 44 by 5. 44 by 5. If you solve with the help of calci, if you solve this one with the help of calci, then you will get the new value. Okay, now then you will get the new value. That new value you have to write here. That new value you have to write here. So how much you will get? 32 by 5. So if you solve this one, how much you will get? 32 by 5. 32 by 5. Okay, na? So in place of that first row, in place of this 24, what you have to write? 32 by 5. Next one, in that formula only you have to substitute, in that formula only. Now next one, what is the R1? R1 value is 2. R1 value is equal to how much is there? 2. Then 2 into R2 value is equal to how much there? 1 by 5. So 2 minus 2 by 5. So how much it will be? 8 by 5. How much it will be? 8 by 5. So here you will get the second value, how much? 8 by 5. Then here you have to substitute. What you have to substitute? R1 value. R1 value is 2. Then 2 into R2 value is 1. How much you are getting? Answer 0. So third term how much you got? 0. Then in fourth also you have to substitute. What is the value of R1? 1. Then 2 into R2 value is 0. How much you are getting? Answer 1. Then here also you can substitute. What is the value? As you can see, R1 is equal to 0. 2. R2 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. What is the value? Minus 2 by 5. Here you will get the 0. Here you will get the 0. And last final value will be there. Final value somewhat like this will be 32 by 5 by 8 by 5. 32 by 5 by 8 by 5. If you substitute in this like this, you will get the equation. This is the R1. Then R2 write down as it is. What is that? 44 by 5. This is 1 by 5. This one is 1. This one is 0. This one is 1 by 5. This one is 0. Then 44 by 5 by this is 5. 44 by 5 by. Now next step, which one you have to change? You have to change the R3. What you have to change? You have to change the R3. R3 you have to make 0 with the help of R2. R3 you have to make 0 with the help of R2. So see here, what is the values are given. What is the value of R3? R3 value is 2. R1 value is equal to how much? R2 value is equal to how much? 1. Both are equal? No. You have to multiply with 2. If you multiply with 2, here you have to put which sign? Minus. Then answer how much you are getting? 0. This same formula you have to, this same formula you got na 0. That same formula if you apply here, you will get 2, 1, 2, 5. Next how much? 28 by this is 5. Next one is the 0. Next one is the 0. Next one is the minus 2 by 5. Next one is the how much value is there? Next one is the value. This is 0 and this one is also 0. This is minus 2 by 5. And here what is the value? Value is 1. Value is 1. And here value 2, 1, 2 by 5 by 28 by 5. Like this you will get. Okay, now like this you will get. This is the row 1. This one is the row 2. This is the row 3. Whatever the formula you want to adopt, you can adopt. The thing is that with the help of key element, you have to make upper and lower term as 0. Upper and lower term as 0. Whatever you want to multiply. Whatever you want to divide. But the thing is that upper and lower term with the help of key element, upper and lower term should be 0. With the help of the key element, upper and lower term should be 0. So this is the all fair work only. Let me back to our problem. So in our problem, what is given? Like this is given. So here, till here we solved. Then again we have to make like this. Okay, now? After solving in that one, what you have to write? Again you have to write here CB, then here BV, and this one is the CJ. After that 6, 9, 0, 0, 0. And here you have to write minimum ratio. What you have to write? Minimum ratio, RATIO ratio, and remark. After that what will be there? Remark. So here as you can see, previously key element and key row you change, key element and key row you change. This one is known as the key element. So here what is the value? This one is known as the x1, this one is known as the x2, and this one is known as the s1, this one is known as the s2, and this one is known as the s3, s1, s2, s3. Okay na? So this one you make as a 1 and upper one, and the lower one you make as a 0. So same thing you transfer here. This 9 and x2 is there, now you transfer this side 9 and x2. So here what you have to write 9, then what you have to write x2, what you have to write 0, here you have to write s1, and 0 here you have to write s3. These two things you have to transfer, and after that whatever you got the values, that values you have to write. Whatever the values you got, now first value how much you got? 32 by 5. Second value how much you got? 44 by 5. Next value how much you got? 212 divided by 5. 212 divided by 5. Next value is equal to how much? 8 by 5. Next value is equal to how much? 1 by 5. Next value is equal to how much? 28 by 5. Then this one is the key element you make as 1, and the upper and lower term become the 0. Then here 1 0 0 1 0 0, like this you got. After that, after getting this value, what is the remaining two values are there, that one you have to write. Remaining two value is equal to, what is the remaining two value? Minus 2 by 5. This one is the 1 by 5. Next one is the minus 2 by 5, and this value is 0, this value is also 0, and this value is 1, this value is 1, like this you got. Okay na? Again try to find out the zj, how to find out zj? Again you have to find out the value of zj. How to find out zj? Same procedure you have to adopt, means 0 into 8 by 5, 9 into 9 by 1 by 5, then 0 into 28 by 5. So how much you will get the answer? 9 by 5. Zj answer how much you are getting? 9 by 5. Next these two terms you have to into 0 into 0 plus 9 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So how much you are getting value? 9. How much you are getting value? 9. Then same 1 into 0. Then next one is the 0 into 9 plus 0 into 0. So total this value will become 0. Total this value will become 0. Then 0 into minus 2.5. Then 9 into 1 by 5, then 0 into this. So answer will be 9 by 5. How much answer will be here? 9 by 5. Then next one 0 into 0, then 9 into 0, next 0 into 1. So this total will become how much? 0. After getting zj, what you have to do? Zj minus cj. What is the next value? Zj minus cj. What is the next value? Zj minus cj. Zj how much is there? 9 by 5 minus cj. Cj value is equal to how much is there? 6. Here you have to write x1, this is x2, and this is s1, this is s2, and this one is the s3. Zj minus cj. So here 9 by 5 minus 6, how much it will be? Minus 21 by 5. Then 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, how much it will be? This is the 9. 9 minus 0 will be there. Now 9 minus how much will be there? 0 will be there. First one is the 9 by 5 minus 6. How much? Minus 25. Here 9 is there, and here cj is how much? 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Here 0 is there. 0 minus 0, how much it is? 0. Then 9 by 5 minus 0, how much is there? 9 by 5. Then 0 minus 0, how much is there? 0. As you can see in the zj minus cj, again you are finding here negative term. What is this one you have to make positive. This one you have to make positive. So what you have to do, again here you are getting the negative term. So highlight this term, highlight this one, highlight this entire column, highlight this entire column. Okay, now this column. Then what you have to do, you have to find out the ratio. Ratio means what you have to do? 32 by 5 by 8 by 5. Here you have to write 32 by 5 by 8 by 5. Next one is the, what is the value here? 44 by 5 by 1 by 5. Next, what is the value? 212 divided by 5 by, what is the value? 28 by 5. Like this you have to take. Okay, now in that which one is the least value? In that which one is the least value? As you can see, this one is the least value. As you can see, this one is the least value. If you solve with the help of calci, this 5 will get cancelled, this 5 will get cancelled, this 5 will get cancel. So 32 divided by 8, 44 divided by 1, 215 divided by 5. So this one is the least value. So this one you have to highlight. This one you have to highlight. This one and this one you have to highlight. Okay, now this one and this one you have to highlight. Now this become the key. This become the key element. This element become the key element, and this one become the key row, key column. This is known as key column, column column, and this one will become the key row. This one will become the key row. This is the key row, this is the key column, and this one is the key element. Key row is there and key column is there. After that, what is there? Key element is there. Key row, key column, and key element is there. So what you have to do? Key row, key element, and key column is there. Again you have to repeat the same procedure. What you have to do? You have to make this one you have to make as 1. How to make as this one? This one is known as R1, this one is known as R2, and this one is known as R3. First one is known as R1, second one is known as R2, next one is known as R3. First one is known as R1, second one is known as R2, then it is known as R3. So what you have to do? The R1 you have to see here, you have to do the operation. What you have to do operation here? R1 divided by 8 by 5. R1 divided by 8 by 5. How much? R1 divided by 8 by 5. If you divide here 32 divided by 8 by 5, how much you will get answer? Means answer you will get somewhat 4. Then 8 by 5 divided by 8 by 5, how much you will get answer? Answer 1. Then 0 divided by 8 5, 0. 1 divided by 8 5, 5 by 8, how much you will get? 5 by 8. Next one, what is the value here? Minus 2 by 5 divided by 8 by 5, how much you will get? Minus 1 by 4. Then 0 divided by 8 by 5, how much you are getting? 0. This is the operation for R1. Now you have to change the R2. Now you have to change the R2 with the help of R1. Now you have to change the R2 with the help of R1. You have to change the R2 with the help of R1. So what is the value of R2? As you can see, R2 value is equal to how much? R2 value 1 by 5, and R1 value how much it is? 1. R1 it will become 1. R1 it will become 1. Okay now. So these two are equal? No. So what you have to do? You have to multiply with minus. You have to multiply with minus. So this will become 0. This will become 0. Same formula I have to apply here. 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 If I apply in this, okay now, this one is the R1 and this one is the R2. So how much I am getting answer? I am getting answer 8. If I apply here, this one is the R1 and this one is the R2. So how much I am getting answer? Answer I am getting 0. If I apply here, I will get the 1. If I apply here, how much I am getting? 1 by 8. If I apply here, how much I am getting? 1 by 4. If I apply here, how much I am getting? 0. Next one, you have to change the R3. What you have to do? You have to change the R3 with the help of R1. What is R3? R3 value is equal to 28 by 5. What is R1? R1 value 8 by 5. So here you have to do some multiplication. After multiplication, you will get the value of R2. You will get the value of R2. How to multiply that one? Here, what is the value? Here this term you have to make at 0. So simple method I will tell you. This one you have to multiply with 8 by 5, and this one you have to multiply with 28 by 5. What you have to write here? Minus. What you have to write here? Minus. If you solve this one, here what you will get some value. The value is equal to how much you will get? 20. And here how much you will getting value? 0. And here also how much you are getting value? 0. And here how much you are getting? 7 by 2. And here how much you are getting? 1. And here how much you are getting? 1. So this one is known as the R1, this one is known as the R2, and this one is known as the R3. R1, R2, R3. Like this you have to make the operation. Okay na? Like we will solve in math how to find the that value, eigenvalues, eigenvector, like that only. Similarly you have to do the here operation. After doing operation, you got this value. These values you have to substitute in the table. Again you have to take the same value. Here you have to write CB, then write BV, then write CJ. Then what is the value? 69000. Okay na? And this one is known as the minimum ratio. This one is known as the minimum ratio. Here, which one you change? This one you change now. This one known as x1, this one is known as x2, this is s1 and this one s2 and this one is the s3. So this one you have to write here 6 and this one is the x1, and previously what you got 9 and this one is the x2, then 0, this one is known as the s3. Then remaining Cj values, whatever you got the Cj value, that one you have to write. What you got? 4, 8, 20, then 1, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0. Here what is the value? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8 minus 7 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1, then 0, 0, 1. This is the values you got. Again you try to find out the Zj. Again try to find out the Zj. How to find out Zj? 6 into, as you can see, 6 into 1 plus 0 into 9 plus 6 into 1 plus 0 into 9, 6 into 1 plus 0 into 9 plus, then how much is 0 plus 0 into 0. So how much you will get the value? 6. How much you will get the value? 6. So you have to write here 6. What you have to write here? 6. Totally how much you are getting? 6. Then 0 into 6 into 0 plus 9 into 1 plus 0. So how much you are getting here? 9. Next value. Same thing if you perform here, how much you will get? 28 by or 21 by 28. Next one is the 3 by 4. How much you will get? 3 by 4. After that what you will get? 0. After that, after finding Zj, next step Zj minus Cj. Next step we have to find out Zj minus Cj. Zj minus Cj, 6 minus 6, how much you are getting? 0. 9 minus 9, how much you are getting? 0. 21 minus 8, how much you are getting? 21 by 8 minus 0, how much you are getting? 21 by 8. 21 by 8. Next 3 by 4 minus 0, how much you are getting? 3 by 4. Then this one will become 0. 21 by 8. As you can see, Zj minus Cj all are getting positive value. All positive, positive, positive value. All positive values are there. So here you can write x1. Here you can write the x1. x1 how much is there? x1 value is equal to how much you got? 4. And x2. x2 value how much is there? 8. x1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to how much? 8. x2 is equal to 8 and x3 is equal to how much? 20. Okay, now s1 s2 you have to assume as 0. s1 you have to assume as the 0 and s2 also you have to assume as the 0. Then you have to substitute in the maximum equation, where you have to substitute maximum equation. What is the maximum equation? 6x1 plus 9x2 plus 0 s1 plus 0 s2 plus 0 s3. That is the value 6 into 4 plus 9 into 8 plus 0 into s1. s1 is also 0. Then 0 into s2. s2 is also 0. Then 0 into s3. s3 is 0. 6 4s are how much? 24. Then 9 8s are how much? 72. So sum of these two is how much it is? 96. How much you got the value? 96. Somewhat lengthy is that, but easy compared to the other. You will get the full marks for this one. Everything is written here, just you need to solve this one. Okay, just need to solve this one like this. You have to follow.